Hi, if you want to change lock screen shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S25, then go in Phone Settings. From here, find Wallpaper and Style and tap on your lock screen. And now you got an option to edit your lock screen. So basically, to change shortcuts, you need to select one. For example, we can replace camera with something else. Tap it, and now this list of actions will be opened. So let's replace camera with flashlight, for example. And this is it. Let's do the same with phone app. I'm gonna tap it, swipe up to check all of the options. And we can pick, for example, Google Chrome. And tap done. Another way how you can change your shortcuts on lock screen is directly from your lock screen. Just press and hold it, unlock to edit, and as we did before, tap on your shortcuts and replace with something else. But for now, let's test it. So let's try to enable flashlight with the help of simply dragging this icon left. And it's working. We can just drag it left again to disable. Let's do the same with Google Chrome. For that, I'm gonna drag this icon right to open Google Chrome. And as you can see, we need to unlock the phone for that. And yes, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.